I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to close your Remitly account, follow these simple steps to ensure everything is done correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Remitly account using your email and password. Make sure you are on a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Step 3. Find the Close Account option. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option to close your account. It may be labeled as Close Account or Delete Account. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you have any pending transactions, you will need to complete or cancel them before you can proceed. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After following the prompts, you will receive a confirmation message that your account has been closed. Make sure to check your email for any final notifications from Remitly. Closing your Remitly account can be straightforward if you follow these steps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to their customer support. Good luck!